As we drive over the Pell Bridge here in Newport, Rhode Island, it's hard not to be struck by the beauty of this iconic structure. Opened in 1969, the Claiborne Pell Bridge, often just called the Newport Bridge, spans nearly 2.1 miles across the Narragansett Bay, connecting the mainland to the charming city of Newport. The bridge itself is a marvel of engineering, with its distinctive sweeping design making it a recognizable landmark from miles away. It's named after Claiborne Pell, a U.S. senator who played a crucial role in the bridge's development and was also known for championing the Pell Grant program, which has helped millions of students afford higher education. As we cross, you can't see the stunning views of Narragansett Bay on either side. This waterway has been the lifeblood of Rhode Island for centuries, from its early days as a colonial port to its modern role as a hub for boating and tourism. Approaching the Newport side, you're greeted by the sight of this historic city, renowned for its gilded mansions, vibrant sailing cultures, and rich colonial history. Newport has long been a destination for those seeking the perfect blend of New England charm and coastal beauty. Whether you're here to explore the historic sites, enjoy the coastal scenery, or simply drive across this breathtaking bridge, Newport and the Pell Bridge offer a little something for everyone. As we leave the bridge behind, we carry with us the promise of new adventures and the timeless allure of this beautiful corner of Rhode Island.